Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello friends. Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Baker channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet cardigan designs. Beautiful patterns, beautiful designs, very amazing, colorful crochet winter collection, babies and babas. Very beautiful, amazing, colorful, stylish, with hood designs, skirt designs, full sleeves, very pom-pom designs, amazing crochet cardigan designs, ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and with my dear friend Ellie, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country, and girls love such clothes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Will remember prayer and Allah.